Hello friends, welcome you in Research News. In this video, we will see how to remove stuck desktop icons and fix links and tabs that are not responding. You can see here, I'm trying to click, it is not working. Here you can see all the links are not working, and while I'm clicking there is no response. So how we can solve this issue, this problem, we will see now. So only here you will see that this part is working, the taskbar only working, and all options are not working. For solution of this problem, we have to press Control Shift and Escape simultaneously. So you will find here interface. You will see the interface for Task Manager will open. In that you have to search File Explorer. So here I am trying to search it, but the File Explorer not visible. Here it is. So now you have to right click and restart it. Once it is restart, you have to end the task. Now you have to click this, all the function will work. Oh, it is not working still. So what we will do? We have to, from here in the taskbar, you have to click and restart these things. So you will go and click the power button, and if it is not giving option for restart, you can force shutdown and start it again. After restart, all the icon are giving response. I will click and show you. You can see now it is working. So lastly, I will say, if even the problem persists, please do comment. Thank you for watching Research Need. Thank you very much.